Good evening everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing great. I'm here with my today's video and the topic of the day is Urdu versus English of past perfect continuous tense. First of all, I'll go for the sentence structure and it is subject plus helping verb plus verb ing plus object and then use of since and for. The helping verb for past perfect continuous tense is had been, and its Urdu identification is that at the end of the Urdu sentences we have raha tha, rahe the, rahi thi plus time is must in the Urdu sentence. Now let me start the translation of different Urdu sentences of past perfect continuous tense. The very first sentence is वो एक घंटे से खत लिख रहा था. Now if you concentrate on the Urdu sentence, time is mentioned, that is ek ghante, and in the end of the Urdu sentence we have raha tha, and the translation is he had been writing the letter for an hour. लड़की 10 दिन से ये किताब पढ़ रही थी. The girl had been reading this book for 10 days. मैं एक माह से ये तस्वीर बना रहा था. I had been making this picture for a month. हम 9 बजे से मैच खेल रहे थे. We had been playing the match since 9 o'clock. लड़का सोमवार से बुखार में मुब्तला था. The boy had been suffering from fever since Monday. The next sentence is तुम अक्टूबर से इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रहे थे. You had been preparing for the examination since October. वो 2019 से इस मकान में रह रहे थे. They had been living in this house since 2019. मैं 16 तारीख से दरख्त लगा रहा था. I had been planting trees since the 16th. सुबह से बारिश हो रही थी. It had been raining since morning. बारिश 2 दिन से हो रही थी. It had been raining for 2 days. The difference of since and for is already discussed, that since is used with exact point of time and for is used for the duration of the time. The next sentence is हम 3 बजे से तैर रहे थे. We had been swimming since 3 o'clock. तुम मंगल से तकरीर तैयार कर रहे थे. You had been preparing the speech since Tuesday. Then moving on to the negative sentences, दोस्त 20 मिनट से बातें नहीं कर रहे थे. The friends had not been talking for 20 minutes. लड़का 2 बजे से वक्त ज़ाया नहीं कर रहा था. The boy had not been wasting time since 2 o'clock. लड़कियां सुबह से कपड़े नहीं धो रही थीं. The girls had not been washing clothes since morning. मैं दोपहर से सो नहीं रहा था. I had not been sleeping since noon. मजीद 3 दिन से अपना काम नहीं कर रहा था. Majid had not been doing his work for 3 days. आप अक्टूबर से अखबार नहीं पढ़ रहे थे. You had not been reading the newspaper since October. लोग 2 घंटे से नारे नहीं लगा रहे थे. People had not been raising slogans for 2 hours. शेर शाम से चिड़ियाघर में नहीं गरज रहा था. The lion had not been roaring in the zoo since evening. तोता 4 दिन से बातें नहीं कर रहा था. The parrot had not been talking for 4 days. गरीब लकड़हारा 1 माह से दरख्त नहीं काट रहा था. The poor woodcutter had not been cutting trees for 1 month. मेरा भाई 11 तारीख से इम्तिहान नहीं दे रहा था. My brother had not been taking the examination since the 11th. मलाह कश्ती 3 घंटे से नहीं चला रहा था. The boatman had not been rowing the boat for 3 hours. सलीम 15 मिनट से किताबें नहीं गिन रहा था. सलीम had not been counting the books for 15 minutes. मैं 2019 से वर्जिश नहीं कर रहा था. I had not been taking exercise since 2019. Now further, next I have interrogative sentences. The very first sentence is क्या बच्चे 1 घंटे से खेल रहे थे? Had the children been playing for an hour? लड़की 1 बजे से क्यों रो रही थी? Why had the girl been weeping since 1 o'clock? क्या तुम इस मकान में जुलाई से रह रहे थे? Had you been living in this house since July? वो कब से आपके पास ठहरा हुआ था? Since when had he been staying with you? क्या खिलाड़ी 40 मिनट से खेल रहे थे? Had the players been playing for 40 minutes? तुम 2 घंटे से कहाँ घूम रहे थे? Where had you been wandering for 2 hours? क्या कोपेमा केटू पर मई से चढ़ते रहे थे? Had the mountaineers been climbing K2 since May? So this was all about Urdu versus English of past perfect continuous tense. You have found that in the sentence structure we use helping verb, that is had been, plus first form of verb is used with ing, and since and for is used for the time. Since is used for the exact point of time and for is used for the duration of time. I hope you will understand the concept of this video. Just go for your practice. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.